What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This week's going to be a bit funny. It's been so chaotic. We've had parts arrive, we've had parts no arrive. I'm not sure if we've got anything to finish a job, but we're just going to see how we get on.
And right now we're just heading down to CARTEC to pick up some more parts.
So we've just got back for CARTEC. These guys have hooked us up again with a load of free parts for the LUPO. We can't thank these guys at CARTEC enough. They've been a great help. If you're ever in the South Lanarkshire area and you need anything done on your car, tyres, brakes, MOT, servicing, anything like that, these guys will be able to help you. They're absolutely amazing. I'll leave a link to their Facebook page in the description below. I'll leave the garage address and phone number in there as well. Head on over, check them out. Guys are awesome. Alright guys, it's super early in the morning, but the parts have arrived for the intake pipe. So I've got 40 minutes before my first meeting starts with the day job. So we've got to see if we can get this intake done in the next 40 minutes. That's it, the new intake's on. We've got rid of the temporary bung. We've got a nice new clean intake pipe. Oil catch can's done. We'll have some nice clean burns in the engine. No more oil going through the intake. Now, it's time to go to work. So guys, it's a new day and it's the end of the week. Unfortunately, we don't have time for anything else. We're actually going to do another job that you'll see on the channel. Completely different from what we normally do, but it's something we want to share with you. The reason we're still uploading this video is we're having a big giveaway. The reason for the giveaway is we need your help. Now, as you're probably aware, the channel is new, it's fully funded by ourselves, and we need some help. Now, YouTube monetization would be excellent. It would help us bring in bigger projects, better projects, loads more content for you guys. But in order to get that, we need to hit 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we're stuck on 87. So we really need your help to help us get up to the 1,000 subscriber mark. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. As soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to draw the names randomly out of a hat. The first place winner is going to receive a tablet so they can watch the boys, do the work, on the go, wherever. They're also going to win a t-shirt, the new merch. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll have seen the new t-shirt design. It looks awesome and we can't wait to get a hold of some. But they're going to get a tablet, a t-shirt and a home built sticker, right? The next 3 people who are drawn out the hat are going to get a home built t-shirt and a home built sticker. So that's the prizes. Really hope you want to get on board and help us out. all you need to do is subscribe to the channel. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Share it with your friends, follow us on Instagram, spread the word, help us get to 1,000 subscribers, because we really want to grow the channel and move on to bigger and better things. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and share it. See you guys in the next one.